Hari Om. A very good morning to school of students present over here and all the respected teachers. Wishing you a very happy International Yoga Day. Director of Mihika's Yoga Studio, Mihika Sham Pinzirkal, signing in here. Let's come to make us understand what really the yoga is. Yoga is a spiritual, physical and mental practice which is practiced since many of years in India's tradition. Now it is getting popular over the worldwide. Why? Because in present generation we see in our surrounding that resources are unlimited, but the response of humans, response of mankind towards the resources is very rude, which affects the environment around us. What the really this cycle is? This cycle is in very we are living in the surrounding where pollution is produced, different types of toxic gases are produced, which we inhale, which goes through our body, affects our mind, and when we get contact in the surrounding, it affects our skills and communication too with other people also. So students, I would like to make you understand that yoga is a game, as you play football, you play basketball, you play different types of game. Yoga is also as a game, but game of your mind, body and soul. You have to play this game with your mind, body and soul. It is very easy and it is inexpensive. You can play it anywhere. When this statement comes in front of you that you have to do yoga, what firstly comes in your mind is that meditation and pranayama. No, yoga is not just practicing meditation and pranayama. It is making your breathing self-disciplined, believing yourself and making your body self-disciplined. When yoga not only includes meditation or pranayama, it also includes different type of challenges which you are facing by yourself or your body, which makes this challenge makes you prepare, believing yourself and cleaning your body inside and out. I will give you an example like Shuddhi Kriya. Shuddhi Kriya is a practice, ancient practice, which we follow since thousands of years, since our ancient time, which helps to clean our body, whole our inner body. One of the example of Shuddhi Kriya is Jal Niti. What really the practice of Jal Niti is? The practice of Jal Niti is taking in the water from one nostril and taking it out from second nostril. It helps to get rid of dirt going in, entering your nostril, or bacteria entering your nostril, and helps to cleanse your nostril. And main thing, that is, it helps to make your breathing mechanism constant, which won't affect your heart. All the toxic bacteria, all the toxic gases which you inhale by your nose are get cleaned by Jal Niti. So students, yoga is a vast topic to study, a very scopic topic to study. Even if I speak here for long hours about this topic is very vast. It won't get finished. So guys, it's very beneficial to study about your health, about yourself, about your nutrition, about your daily lifestyle. Yoga will help you go throughout this whole thing, and also to tackle with all these things. It will bring you at the right place, so that if you practice yoga, your mind will get affected. If your mind will get affected, your body will get affected. If your body will get affected, you in your surrounding will probably get affected, and therefore your contact with universe get affected. So practicing yoga is very very important, and I hope you all will join me to in the training session which we are going to hold throughout the week. So best of luck to you all, good luck, and stay joined with me for the weekly training. We will learn different types of asanas and some various activities in the yoga. Thank you. Hari Om. Signing out, Mika Sham Pinjarkar.